Freightliner Cascadia was launched down under in November of 2019. Based on its continued dominance in the US and the incredible numbers sold there, you can't argue that Cascadia is one of the most successful heavy truck models in history. Geography, our road infrastructure, HPMV and VDAM, and the absence of an 8x4 in the lineup mean it's had a harder row to hoe over here. It has, however, found a handy sweet spot in regional work, and a truck able to put its shoulder to the line haul wheel when required. So for this story we wanted a 116 doing work as close to its US roots as we could find, on highway, towing a big semi and sporting an aero kit, and we found just the ticket working out of the Hall's cold chain logistics operation in Dunedin under the care of the career wheelman Phil Taylor. The Cascadia and 15.54 metre Fruhoff NZ Smith's cargo ball combination work local delivery in the morning and then run down to Silver Fern Farms Finnegan operation in Balclutha in the afternoon. Occasionally, as volumes require, the Freightliner will head on through to Invercargill 200 kilometres further to the south. The DD13 in this installation is set at 377 kilowatts, 505 horsepower, delivering 2,508 newton meters, 1850 pound-foot of torque, and it's backed up by a Detroit DT12 AMT with Meritor GP46160s on airliner air suspension. And up front, the Meritor FG941 7.5 tonne front axle sits on taper leaf suspension, brakes are all disc. It's a lovely truck to drive, says Phil. I really like it in that sense. There's plenty of room in and around and behind me, and the dash layout is superb, nicely wrapped around with everything in easy reach. Beyond the Fruhoff NZ Smith's cargo ball base product, kit like SAF undercarriage, Joss full load landing legs and alloy wheels mean that the trailing gear spec is as robust as the prime mover. Also fitted is BroLube central lubrication and E-Road. The Guardian seeing machine in cab, side and rear underrun protection on the semi, along with Wabco's tailguard reverse awareness system means it's not just the additional productivity boxes that are well ticked, the social license ones are also. Phil rates the Smith's Cargo Bull double-decker racking system highly. It allows a top layer of product regardless of any height variance in the bottom layer. Working a rig in the confines of Dunedin is not for the faint of heart. The Cascadia has fantastic visibility and rear vision, making this a breeze. The heavily raked bonnet means Phil can see the road from 3.74 metres in front of where he sits. It's as manoeuvrable as a cabover, yet it's still a bonneted US truck, the genre that Phil likes, although he has received some flack from mates about the look of the hood mirrors, but he's quick to point out that they're actually a very US thing, work incredibly well, and are handy reference points for the bonnet. The ride is fine also, although being a light 6x4 tractor towing a 15.54 metre quad, the loading has to be on point to ensure comfort and also compliance. Life to date, the Cascadia has achieved 47.4 litres per 100 k's, 2.11 kilometres per litre, and reading that in context of what the truck actually does, there's not much to complain about here. Outside of the occasional lash to Invercargill, the longest stretch of flat running it gets is the 33 kilometres between Allington on Dunedin's southern flanks and Milton. The Cascadia is an immensely capable, comfortable and easy to drive machine. They have found happy homes in bulk and aggregate tip markets, often emulating what this Cascadia does at hauls. Local work with the occasional line haul run thrown in. And with a proven driveline capable of backing up the big boys when needed, and with good support after the sale, it would be hard to do a lot better for the outlay. To read the full story on Cascadias for hauls, then catch a copy of the July 2024 issue of New Zealand Trucking Magazine, or visit us at nztrucking.co.nz to read a digital copy, see the links below. Remember to hit the like and subscribe buttons so you're the first to see our latest contents as we upload it for you. Have a fantastic month out there and travel safe.